Right, started doing the fine detail now on the roller. This is a copy of the AVELING Barford decals. As you can see, just fitted them now. He's just going around doing all the detail work now. Painted up the which is actually the Kent coat of arms. So you can see a nice sunny afternoon. It's a lot warmer than yesterday. That's the builder's plate I cleaned up. It's just a matter of putting everything back together now. Just start taking the masking off the windows. So she's nearly there now. I was thinking of giving her a flash over with some clear varnish to bring it in more shiny, but I think that's about right for the road roller. It's not, you don't have any Congo hose condition, so as she is now, she would be all those years ago, 43 years ago. So she's getting like she was then. Next stage is the sign writer. Gotta get Nick to come up and do all the sign writing for me to finish it off, and the jobs are good. And then so it's a matter of going around touching in anything it needs doing. It's not much, just a look. It's not that much to do, but she looks nice in the afternoon sunshine. So basically it's touching in, another coat of red on the wheels to finish off, number plates to fit, wiper blade to fit, rest of the masking to come off, and Nick the sign writer to come up, do the sign writing for me, and the final grease, and there she is. But it's a lot warmer today than it was yesterday, that's for sure. So a fair bit of work's gone into this. A lot of hours of rubbing down and doing all the mechanical work. So later on this afternoon now I'll be taking off the rest of the masking and just checking it through. So I'm very pleased with the decals. I had them made up. Daban Signs, a local firm, made them up for me to my saw measurements, and I'm quite pleased the way they've come out. So the next report will probably be a completed machine, but at the moment this area's in lockdown, so I don't know if I can get the sign rated up here to complete the job, but it would have been the best time to do it now. Now the paint is fresh. I like to get all the sign writing when the paint is all fresh on there. But due to this stupid virus and the lockdown, I might have to wait a week or two. So give me a ring in a week and see what he says anyway. So till next time.